I have been trying to grow bioluminescent dinoflagellates together with sea monkeys, but that did not work out. I found out that sea monkeys love to eat them, so they do not last long, the dinoflagellates. But with the diet of dinoflagellates, the sea monkeys thrive quite well. So I had to change the approach. First, I had to set a separate culture. That is the separate culture. And then I took two approaches. First approach was to take, after that separate culture, took 50%, took enough of that culture and I put it in this tank, fed it 50%, and then the rest of just with the other 50% with a nutrient medium that essentially is 30 grams per liter, the ratio of salt water with some nutrients. And then I put a good source of light on top of it for a month so it could grow enough. And then I transferred sea monkeys from a tank that it was also close to 30 grams. The ratio of the salt was around 30 grams of salt per liter. And I did that like 3 days ago, and you can see some of the flashes. Let me see if I can get a better view. There you go. Although it could focus better. There you go. Let me see. So anyhow, it would work quite well because of the higher density. I'm only getting a fraction of the flashes that I'm seeing, but you get the idea. The more you let it grow the bioluminescent dinoflagellates in the tank, when you try and feed the sea monkeys, you would get your shiny sea monkeys for a longer time, because first of all, there are more dinoflagellates, so they trigger the dinoflagellates more often, and second, it takes the sea monkeys longer to eat them, so you got shiny sea monkeys for a little longer. So, but I have not been able to find a way that I can grow the dinoflagellates together with the sea monkeys. Eventually they eat all the dinoflagellates. So there is one approach. Essentially you prepare a tank, let the dinoflagellates grow for a while, and then you transfer your sea monkeys and you got your shiny sea monkeys. The next approach will be to take a tank like this one, this one that is you cannot see it, but it's a little larger, it's 800 milliliters, and you remove part of it, of course with the proper protection, so you don't want to suck up the sea monkeys in the colony, because this is an active colony and this one also is an active colony. And then now that you can see that there is a good population here, I essentially transfer it to here and to here. And although I don't expect to last as long as this one that you are seeing the flashes right now, at least on the first night you should get quite a bright, I don't know if it will be as bright and often as the flashes that you are seeing in this tank, but at least it should last one night, whatever the result. I might do that tomorrow, but we will see. But at least using for those approaches you need a reserve that you let it grow for a while, and in this case then you let it grow in the other tank by their own for a while, and then you transfer the sea monkeys. So that is one approach to get your Chinese sea monkeys using bioluminescent dinoflagellates. The next video I will try the other approach and I will give it more details. Anyhow, I think this is as good as it gets with what I wanted to try. We will see how it goes in the next video. See you later, everyone.